Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee, guys. Happy terrific Tuesday. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor, go to the link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what I got going on. All right, what a wonderful morning it is. All right, guys, I want to come and do a update on PACA. I want to first say thank you to is it Steve? Hang on, let me get it right. He's a stand-up guy. You know, a lot of times when we get in these crypto projects, guys, you normally don't get good support sometimes. I must say, remember I've been talking about I've been missing one stake, right? When they migrated from 8-bit over to PACA. One stake, it was a small stake, right? But it still is my stake. And it didn't transition, right? So I filled out the form. They had a form in the Telegram group to complete that form if you were missing stakes, and I've done that twice. Okay, and it still hadn't happened. I kind of was just letting it do its thing, and so my sponsor, I mentioned it to her, and she said, well, you should reach out to one of the developers, right, and the owners, and let them know. So I did that. So here it is, Scott the investor. So shout out to Scott. Thank you so much, Scott, for responding. Shout him out. That shows integrity for this company right there. Because just think about it, it was only a $25 stake, right? But the point of the matter is, he did not procrastinate any of that. I sent him a message, and I wanted him to see proof that, you know, I had it, because I had made a video showing I had 4 stakes, so he could see I had that video out there as well. If he couldn't locate it, and he sent me some information asking a few pertinent questions. I gave him the answers, and then he said, hey, I just sent you over a stake. It should show up shortly. And he was telling me, you know, some quirky things happened during the migration. No worries. And I took care of it. He said I took care of it. And then I told him, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. So shout out to PACA. Shout out to Steve, the investor, for taking care of that. He jumped right on it, because I just sent this over, yesterday. And this has been going on, you know, for a few weeks. So he jumped right on it, guys. So, again, this is crypto. Okay, I'm not making any claims. I'm just letting you know the experience that I had with one of the owners. All right, and he took care of it. So I shout him out. I greatly appreciate it. That goes a long way, you know, in the crypto space, right? Because typically, hey, if something's out of place, you may get it, it may not. So anyway, I wanted to do that. So I am back. So let's take a look. Let me show you guys the all right, this phone together. My stake is here. He added it in. So yeah, I missed a week or two, whatever, but it doesn't matter. Where did it go? Oh, let me get back in here. Hang on. All right, there we go. We're connected again. So here's the pools. I had 4 stakes. See, here's the one he went ahead and just added, made it 30. Okay, and I had it at the 0.4%. So thank you so much again to Scott. So here's my 4. I went in small because this was new at the time. I wasn't quite sure what was what. Want to fill it out. And I have made 2 withdrawals when it was 8-bit, okay, before it came over to the PACA platform. So we're going to see, once this is 25, we can withdraw. and we'll see how it works here. But when I withdrew from the 8-bit platform, it was instant. All right. So anyway, we've got our 4 stakes in here once again. So this one, what did we use? USDT BEP20. Okay. On the BSC blockchain. All right, so enter the PACA pools, deposit your crypto assets into the fixed rate PACA pools. Funds are farmed via concentrated liquidity pools, and you are paid profits in real time. At the end of your stake, your initial investment is returned to you. So be sure if you get into this platform or any crypto platform that you're using risk capital, okay? Because this is risky business. All right, guys. So we did that a while back, because if you look here, it's 126 days. Initially, it was what, 250 days. Okay. And I got into this one because it reminded me of Stable Swap a little bit. Okay. Something simple, USDT stake. And it was just something new, and it was recommended. All right. So I thought I'd check it out. So we got our stakes in here. We're rolling with it. They have the daily ROI is 0.33% with the 250-day lockup. Now, what is cool about this, though, you can withdraw at any point in time as long as you've got 25 in your balance. And you can compound if you've got 20 in your balance. All right. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's see what we got here. 125 days. Look, 125 days, 126 days. And then what we'll probably do is we'll probably add more into this now that I kind of see how it works. But this is a new platform right here because they migrated from 8-bit over here. So let's take a look. And they don't do the affiliate levels, all those percentages that you normally would see in the crypto platforms. The way they do it here with the affiliate program, earn 1 point per dollar when someone deposits funds using your affiliate address. Okay, so my address is in the description. So if you'd like to sign up under me and join the tribe, I greatly appreciate it. But this is how they do it. At the end of every calendar month, the top 3 affiliate addresses are awarded a 250-day stake. The stake value is calculated at 2.5% of the total deposits during that month with a cap of 5,000. First place receives 50% of the prize pool. Second place receives 30% of the prize pool. Third place receives 20% of the prize pool. All right, so basically you're providing your wallet address here, and that's what folks will sign up. See right here, it says your affiliate address. That's what you would give folks to share versus a link. All right, so I've put that in the description if you want to get started with me in PACA. All right, and let's take a look over here. They've got some more info here. Understanding PACA finance. Below, we have provided all the essential information you would need to understand our platform, its features, and the benefits we offer our investors. Review each section below to explore the tools and investment options that our platform offers. Our goal is to have educated investors making sound investment decisions as they navigate the world of decentralized finance. All right, so you can read over all this stuff here. So we're staking. Change this investment choosing this investment option will give you a set of daily percentage yield for the entirety of that individual stake. There is no sacrifice of initial capital, as you will have your original investment returned to you when your stake expires. Interest payments are made to investors from the profits of concentrated liquidity pools managed by PACA Finance. Looks like they've got games coming soon, farms coming soon, lending coming soon. All right, so go check it out, guys, if you're interested. Now, is this learn? Let's see where we are. See if we can get back over here. Alrighty. Hang on a second here. Okay, so here you will see this is where your pools are. And mine should show up here in a second. Give it a minute. Hang on. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So if you're interested in earning some crypto rewards, go check out PACA. Again, my address is in the description if you want to use it to sign up. Let's see if we can show you that real quick with this new one. All right, so click right here. It says create stake, right? So you click here, right here. It says stake in pool. So you would put my wallet address right here. See, take that one out. That's the company's, I guess, or whoever's. Take that one out and you would paste my referral address right there. Type the amount you want to deposit, right? And acknowledge. See, I like this, that they're letting you acknowledge the risk. You know the risk and you agree to lock up your funds for the stake period. And you click here and boom. Okay, start your stake. 250 days at 0.33% per day. That's about what? Let's take a look. If we go here, 0.33 times, let's say 30 days, that's 9.9% a month, guys. Not bad at all. All right, so go check it out. The info is in the description. Again, shout out to Steve, the investor over there at PACA. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Enjoy your coffee. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. All right, have a blessed day.